Hi, I'm Miss Burke. I teach 5th grade through 9th grade, and today I'm going to show you my 5th grade classroom. If you see something that you like, maybe a job chart or a reward chart, there may be another video that's posted about them, but I'm not going to go into detail now. I'm just going to generally show you my whole classroom. So, as I said, this is my 5th grade classroom. So I'm going to start by showing you the most important thing. Now, you might not think this is the most important thing in the classroom, but it really is. The placement of your pencil sharpener and your tissues is very, very important. So I put mine in the back because you can sharpen a pencil and you can get a tissue at the same time if you need it, and it's not a big distraction to the class. Okay, so let's check out some of the stuff along the wall. So I like to post student work on the walls. As we get new posters, we switch the old ones out. In the very beginning of the year, we do an art class project, and each student gets to put their picture and then some of the things that they like doing, and that really gives us a good classroom feel, and each student gets to tell everybody a little bit about themselves, and that stays up all year. And then in the same token, 5th grade is when students start having a lot more teachers, so we have a wall that shows all of the different teachers. So this is everybody. We had a teacher switch out halfway through the year, so we have a new picture. We have a job chart, which is really good for teaching 5th graders about responsibility, and they really like helping out in the class. So this one just has, little Velcro, so you can take them off, switch them out every week. Here I post the schedule. Now the posting of the schedule is also very important because you want it to be in a place where all the students can see when they come in during the day. And this is a whiteboard, which is nice because I can change the schedule as needed. This wall, I put a lot of reward charts and things that we change out a lot. So this is a reward chart for a locker competition. This is an oops chart in case a student does something in class that oops they probably shouldn't have done and they lose time at recess. Here we have our drawing contest. So we pick a drawing winner every few weeks, and then the students get to showcase their work up here. We have Locker All-Stars, we have little announcement papers, and then we have one more contest that we post up here. We also have a dress code booklet. So this is a big contest wall, a big thing that stuff switches out a lot. Over here we have our whiteboard, and the whiteboard kind of dictates the placement of everything in the class. So you can see, because this room is really long and narrow, it might not be the best setup. If you want to pan around and show that, it's not ideal, but we work with what we have. So we switch seats so that the person doesn't have to be in the back all the time. But regardless, wherever people sit, they can see the board. And then what I also want to show you here is bins. So we set up bin systems in the classroom because, as you can tell, we have tables, we don't have desks. And so the students really don't have a space where they can put their stuff unless they stack it up on the table, and that just kind of gives for a cluttered mind. So what we do is we have bins, and the students can lift them up on their desks if they want to organize them. But generally what they'll just do is keep them under their desk and use it like, keep them under the table and use it like a desk. So that's how they work out. And then, I guess I'll show you up here. We just keep some things that we do daily. So we have our devotions book, our redo folder, a timer, and a piano. And this wall here, so coming to a close, we have our welcome sign with cursive for students who forget cursive. And we have our class rules. These stay posted all year so that the students can always see them. And you can see our class rules have verses associated with them. And then last but not least, we come around to my desk. Now, I like my desk being in the back of the class because whenever I'm back here, I can always see everything that goes on. So I have my desk back here, all kinds of stuff that students give to me. I love posting this because it reminds me why I'm here. I'm here for the students, and it's cool because the students get to see their stuff too. So that's the end of our tour. I liked it.